Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off two-factor authentication Facebook 2025. Open your Facebook account. Here, click on your profile and in Settings and Privacy, select the option Settings. After this, on the side, click on Account Center. You will go to the section Password and Security and then open the option Two-Factor Authentication. Click on the name of the account, and this will allow you to see the method that you currently have implemented as authentication on Facebook. Now click on this method and then turn off the associated switch. Click on Deactivate and thus you will have turned off Facebook two-step authentication. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.